Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $2,200 Sagal, Idaho. This long bed half-ton with two-wheel drive features a 350 engine and automatic transmission. The odometer reads just 28,650 miles. Though likely rolled over and the truck has been parked since 2000, recent updates include water, pump, battery, and hose replacements. With solid bodywork and minimal rust, along with original paint and interior, this truck is ideal for a restoration project or parts donor. Its farm-worn dents add authentic character, a solid starting point. Number 2. 1977 Dodge W200 Military Vehicle 4x4, $4,500 Sagal, Idaho. A rare EX military Dodge W200 with four-wheel drive, V8, and automatic transmission. It has 189 miles rolled over and comes with over $2,200 in documented repairs. The four-wheel drive works reliably, and a clean title is included. This military heritage vehicle offers rugged durability, unique provenance, and impressive heavy-duty utility. Number 3. 1977 GMC Shortbed 1/2 ton 4x4, $2,800 Sagal, Idaho. This 1977 GMC Shortbed pickup includes a 350 V8, automatic transmission, and functional four-wheel drive. The chassis is solid with only surface rust, though the body shows rust in multiple areas. The asking price has been reduced for quick sale. With a clean title and strong running condition, this is a dependable project for x4 with sound mechanicals. Number 4. 1976 Ford Courier, $2,500 Scottsdale, Arizona. An excellent condition Ford Courier mini truck with just 44,000 miles. Arizona rust-free and manual transmission. Though currently non-running, comes with a nose Ford boxed grille valued at $500 with visible care and rare original parts. This Courier is primed for revival and holds strong potential as a lightweight collectible. Number 5. 1971 Ford F100 Short Wheelbase, $2,980 Naperville, Illinois. This 300 V8 manual transmission short wheelbase F100 from Georgia shows 99,999 miles and is mechanically solid. Though engine is not seized, it needs floorboard repair, a Georgia truck with a clean title. It offers a strong foundation for restoration with desirable small block V8 and classic handling. Number 6. 1979 Ford F150, $4,500 Denver, Colorado. A lifted 4-inch long bed V8 F150 with rebuilt motor and transmission, automatic transmission, and only 83,000 miles, parked for 2 years. It will need tires and tune-up but still carries a clean title. This truck is a great platform for customization or everyday restoration with strong mechanical underpinnings. Number 7. 1968 Chevrolet C20 V8 Auto, $4,500 Segal, Idaho. A sturdy 1968 V8 C20 with automatic transmission and 135,000 miles rolled over. Needs a full fuel tank assembly replacement. Currently running on temporary tank for test drives. Body is solid. New instrument cluster and partial wiring harness installed. Good bones and manageable restoration. Scope for an affordable vintage half-ton. Number 8. 1971 Ford F100 Truck, $750 Fort Collins, Colorado, featuring a 1982 rebuilt 300 engine. 4-speed manual with granny gear and just 91,000 original miles. This truck drives though the steering drifts and the signal return is flawed. It has rust issues. This honest ranch-use pickup includes shop manuals and offers genuine vintage Ford character at a low price. Number 9. 1966 GMC Fleet Side Long Bed, $2,950 Bruceville, Texas. A 1966 GMC G20 3/4-ton long bed with Power Glide automatic transmission. The V8 spins freely, and the wide window cab is ready for hot rodding or restoration. Normal rust exists, and the bed requires floor work with a clean title. It offers a solid foundation for customization or vintage truck rebuilding. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Fleet Side, $4,000 Taos, Carson, New Mexico. A low-mileage 12,960 to 130 straight 6-column shift manual transmission C10. Recent maintenance includes carburetor, pump and trailing arm repairs. Transmission is stuck in first gear and the truck is currently non-running. Good tires and a clean title make this a budget-friendly barn find restoration candidate with charming vintage appeal. Number 11. 1954 Ford Stakebed, $4,500 Bruceville, Texas. One-owner vintage stake bed truck needing a carburetor rebuilt. Engine was rebuilt by original owner. Body shows no rust. Includes a clean title. This straight cab offering is a canvas ready for bodywork or preservation. Ideal for those seeking mid-century utilitarian classics. Number 12. 1958 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $4,500 Jefferson City, Missouri. A customized cab F100 with a 290 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, showing 243 miles. It comes with spare parts, a new gas tank, and runs well on ranch property. Rear axle pops on turns. This is a dependable classic truck with room for mechanical fine-tuning and restoration. Number 13. 1974 Ford F-150 Highboy 4x4, $5,000 Moses Lake, Washington. A 1974 F-250 Highboy powered by a 460 V8 and automatic transmission. Engine was replaced 10,000 miles ago. It needs tires and minor TLC on dented hood and tailgate, but carries a clean title as Highboys. Grow rarer. This example offers solid four-wheel drive pedigree and collector appeal for sensible restoration.